agad ang ating pinupuntahan lounge after ng immigration. Sulit na yun, di ba? Welcome aboard 34C. Grabe ang pawis ko. Grabe, takbo ng takbo dahil 30 minutes. Buti I made it. Excite na tuloy ako bigla. Kasi ang ano natin travel ngayon guys ay papunta tayo ng Switzerland tsaka Iceland. So pinakamahal na mga bansa sa buong mundo. Kaya medyo nakakatakot din kung anong gagastusin natin. Tapos ang ating ginamit na camera ay Luna.
We're currently expecting to depart on time prior to our arrival at Zurich. We'll update you with our arrival time and weather. Thank you and have a pleasant flight.
First
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I'm not the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young.
coffee na naman. Ang sarap maging pasahero ng Etihad going to Zurich. Parang ang bilis ng mga service. Kunti lang kasi kami mga tao dito. Oh my God, Hagardo. Guys, dito na tayo sa Zurich HD na ayun station. So ipa-figure out natin kung saan tayo lalabas. Pero at least nandito na tayo sa Zurich HD. Hindi ako nakapag-video from airport kasi super pinifigure out ko pa yung daan. Anyway, let's explore. Welcome to Zurich, Switzerland. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Zurich, guys. So, kakarating ko lang from the train, from the airport, from Abu Dhabi. So, ang pinaka-goal natin, ang ano natin ngayon is, punta tayo ng accommodation and then, let's figure out, tapos, ano yung ating magagawa. So, dito yung station ng bahay ko. The good thing is, talagang blue sky today. So, lalakarin pa natin papuntang bahay. Hello! Hey guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Switzerland. Look at that. First official natin paglabas. Kasi inayos ko muna yung aking gamit. And then, makapagligo din. Yan na agad ang mga bungad dyan. Look at that. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang gagawin lang natin ngayon today guys is actually kakarating ko lang kasi i-explore lang natin yung city. Ang daming dala. So yung aking hostel, syempre hindi ka na pwedeng mag-vlog doon dahil ano na siya, girl, maingay. So yan yung church. Wala tayong formal na itinerary today kasi ano lang to, first day, and then i-explore lang natin yung Switzerland. By the way guys, nakabili tayo ng Swiss Pass, 20,000 pesos. Dahil may promo, dahil may discount ako, so 90 na lang. Ayan, so unlimited tayo dyan for 3 days. Tahan natin ngayon yung station, main station.
I never thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching town will
Tapos
stay the
meron tayong
same.
nakitang simbahan. Ano kaya yan? Yan o, yung tower clock. Nandito tayo sa parang boulevard nila o. Ay! Hindi ba pala? Bakla ka. Hindi pa pala nag-go. Doon tayo guys. Ang ganda. Wow. Ay, kailangan natin mag-picture dun sa may. Ang ganda dito be. Nakaka-relax. Dyan tayo sa baba. So meron dito. Basa niyo siya guys. Gamay ang notch. Maganda doon oh. Maganda yung background. Doon tayo mag-picture. Opo muna tayo. So actually nakipila lang talaga tayo. Hindi pa tayo sure kung makakasakay tayo pero kasi only 'di ba yung may Swiss pass. So most likely baka makakaano tayo. Eksena. Yan o. Doon tayo sasakay. Helvetia. Hindi tayo nakasakay. Hindi valid yung ano, may certain time lang pala yung sa free. So, yung balik tayo. Hindi naman siya nakakaya kasi marami din naman bubalik. Kaya, carry lang. Wala tayong gumastos, uy. Ang sabi is, oo, pagkatapos ng 7:30, hindi na daw pwede yung Swiss pass. So, may time din pala siya, be. Alam lang natin. Nangisda. Sana all. Sana all mangisda ay kapo.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been.
Try tayo dyan. Maano daw yung moon? Sana siya. Naglalakad tayo guys ng pauwi sa ating accommodation. Naghahanap din ako ng groceries.